We're going to use the square root property to solve quadratic equations. We have two problems here today. Now this property works good when you have one side squared and the other side is just a number with no letters on the other side. So what you're going to simply do is square root both sides. Now when you square root the side with the number, you have to put a plus or minus sign here. Like that. Now we square rooted because the square and the square root are inverse properties. They undo each other. So this right here just turns into 2x plus 3. Now make sure this side is simplified. Square root of 5 can't be broken up. So we're going to leave it square root of 5. Now we need to get x by itself. So we're going to get rid of the plus 3 here first. We're going to subtract 3 on both sides. When I subtract 3 on the right-hand side, I'm going to put it in front of the plus or minus sign. And then the last thing to do is to get rid of this times 2 by dividing both sides by 2. When I divide 2 on this side, I want to draw a big line. The whole thing is being divided by 2. Make sure it's simplified. There's no common factors here, so this is considered simplified. All right, the next one here is a little different because of this plus 4. The first thing you want to do here is subtract 4 on both sides. Remember, this square root property only works if one side is squared and the other side is just a number. All right, we're going to square root both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus sign. The square root and the square, they go away, so you just have x plus 3 here. Now, square root of negative 4, that's going to be imaginary. Remember, square root of negative 1 is I, and square root of 4 is 2. So this is going to come out to plus or minus 2i. You're going to end up with complex solutions here. And here, just subtract 3 on both sides. And again, put the negative 3 here in front of the plus or minus. Make sure it's simplified, which it is. So we're good to go.